What's up, grinders? Forever Rich here. Today I'll provide you a crash course on DeFi Llama and a couple of step-by-step use cases that will add this powerful tool to your DeFi strategy. By the end, you'll realize if you've been in DeFi without Llama, you ain't DeFi right. Let's get it. This is DeFi Llama, a single dashboard tracking every dollar locked across all DeFi chains and in real time. So if it transfers value in any way, it's tracked on DeFi Llama. First, I'll show you how to look up a chain and its metrics. Second, we'll find the major fee generating protocol on that chain. Third, we'll dissect it, check pools, and pull grind signals. If you're finding value here, smash the like button. That way the algorithm knows more people need to see this. Number one, we're going to search for the chain. And of course, I'm searching for Flare. In fact, if you knew I was going to pick Flare, put Flare in the comments as something for us to laugh about. Now, right here, you see that all this information is broken up here depending on what you're looking for. You might be looking for a stable coin, you might be looking for yields, you might be looking for what we need, chains. So you click on chains. As you can see, it begins breaking everything down for you. It gives you all the heat map and everything. It's very useful. It's a tool that needs to be incorporated. And now we go down, we look for Flare, which is right now currently sitting at number 24. So we click on that. This is Flare, and as you can see, we have 167.23 million TVL in DeFi. But if you go right here to the top right, you have all these others that have not been selected: the staking, pool 2, borrows, double counts, and liquid staking. I select all, and the real total in TVL and DeFi is 401.04. As you can see, you have the graph that you can manipulate however you need to find whatever number you desire. You could add metrics, take metrics away. As you can see, it has this tool has a lot of uses. Number two, now we search for the top protocol. A lot of people immediately look for the TVL, which is fine, but I like to look for the busiest protocol. And therefore, I look for the protocol with the most fees generated. And as we can see, we just scroll down, fees paid. It is Enosys by far. We click on that, and that brings us to the Enosis page. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe. In Enosis, we start with the TVL, which is 31.94 million. And as you can see, it gives you all sorts of metrics. It breaks it down by each protocol or their subchain. So it's Flare on Songbird, then Ethereum, XCC. It breaks everything down here. And it gives you key metrics right here, which is fees, revenue, holdings, holders' revenues, DEX volume, and stake. Like it gives you everything you need depending on what you want to look for to determine if you want to invest or not. If you want the further breakdown, you go into TVL, Enosys TVL breakdowns, and you see here where that you can look up what's they'll break it up by chain. As you can see right here, click on it. You can manipulate this however you need. Right now, Flare is leading over here, and then this is token values, and you see the FXRP at 17.8 is leading in this one. And you can see you can manipulate these however you need. You have your graphs and everything. So it's a tool that you must learn. Step three. Let's look at an asset, FXRP. We want to make sure that it's got backing, a lot of TVL on Enosis before we decide to invest. So it's something that we look at. So we go right here. This is the main page, and we go to TVL. And in TVL, you get all the graphics, all the graphs you need. We could go here, as you can see, FXRP 17. You open that up, and you see that it's only been growing. And then we look at the total breakdowns right down here, and you see that FXRP at 17.41 is 54.51% of the entire Enosis TVLs. If you find value, don't forget to ping the bell notification so you don't miss the next one. As you can see, chain, we went to look up Flare, 401 million TVL. Then we went to the leading fees generator, which was Enosis, And then we decided to check on a token, FXRP, which contained 54% of the total TVL of Enosis. So I deem it, I deemed it safe for my investment. Again, not financial advice. You guys need to do your own research. But this is such a tool that you need to incorporate. I mean, you look over here and you can even see like the new tab with RWAs, which boom, just breaks everything down. And then you can see what metrics are growing and everything. So become familiarized with this tool. It is definitely something you should add to your arsenal. And remember, rich is spelled smart, not with luck. Forever rich, out.